Hi everyone, we're going to divide these two polynomials and simplify. So we're going to use long division, and what we're doing is this is going to be your divisor, this is your dividend, and we're finding the quotient and the remainder. So we're taking x minus 3 and dividing our dividend 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. And what you do is you ask yourself, what times x, and we don't care about the negative 3 at this point. We're trying to always get rid of the first term or use our zero property. So what times x gives me 2x squared? That's going to be 2x. So we're going to do 2x times x minus 3. That's going to give me 2x squared, which is what we wanted. And this part's going to be minus 6x. Minus 6x. So let's write that down. 2x squared minus 6x. And then we're going to subtract. Just like you subtract here, we're going to subtract. And that's what we did. We got rid of those because those zero out. And negative 5x minus a negative 6x. Two negatives make a positive, so that's just going to be x minus 3. Then what you do is the same process. What times x gives me x? That's going to be a positive 1. So 1 times x minus 3 is just x minus 3. And then you subtract. You subtract those and you're going to get 0. So our remainder is 0. Now, that means that if you multiply x minus 3 times 2x plus 1, you get our dividend, which is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. But this is your answer, basically. The next one, we do the same thing. So we're going to take our m+2 and divide m squared minus 3m minus 7. So we ask ourselves, what times m gives me m squared? And that's just going to be m. I like to keep these in order like that. So if you don't, it's not like the things are going to get bad. It's just, it's nice to keep it in order. So we're going to get m squared plus 2m. M squared plus 2m. And then we subtract both terms. That's why I put this in parentheses. So we have 3m, negative 3m, minus a positive 2m. So that's going to be negative 5m minus 7. All right. Now, what times m gives me negative 5m? That's going to be negative 5. So you're going to have negative 5 times m plus 2. And that's going to give you negative 5m, which is what we wanted, minus 10. Then you subtract. That gets rid of that. And negative 7 minus a negative 10 equals 3. That's your remainder. So we have a remainder of 3. And what this means is, I'm going to erase this here. What that means is that m plus 2, our divisor, times our quotient. Let me move this over. I apologize. Let me just scoot this over a little. M plus 2 times m minus 5 plus your remainder gives you your dividend, which is m squared minus 3m minus 7. Okay? And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.